What's going on, guys? We have a 1979 Ford Bronco Ranger XLT. I just finished up from restoration. This took over a little over 1 year to finally finish it. I had full paint done. I had a new lift put in, new rims, new tires, new seats, new trim. Literally everything on this Bronco has been fully restored. I had a brand new paint job installed. The entire Bronco was gutted. The roof was taken off. Fully paint job by a professional body shop. I then added these vinyls that actually came from the factory. This is a factory spec freewheeling chromatic Bronco. I also had brand new headlights installed, brand new grille, and brand new front bumper. So I had all these panels installed by OEM spec, door panels, dash trim, dash pad, seats, rear trim, and rear cargo cover.
So Rob, did I hear you right say you spent a year on this thing, on this restoration? What's the story on this?
Yeah, it took a lot longer than I thought. It was a little over a year to finally finish it. The day I got the Bronco, I sent it out to the body shop. We took the cover off, the rear cargo cover, took the doors off, had it professionally painted. As soon as I got it, got it back from paint. I was actually getting ready to install brand new carpet in it, and whenever they pulled off the old carpet getting ready to put the new carpet, we saw some tiny holes in the floorboard and the cargo area, and I made the decision. I said, we need to cut all this out and we need to put new metal floor pans, new metal in the rear cargo area, because I wanted this thing to be absolutely perfect, and I didn't want to cut any corners of someone getting it later and it messing up. So
you knew right then and there you were taking on a project.
Yeah, so that definitely set the project back a lot further than I thought. After I got it back from paint, I fixed that. Then I put the graphics on, ordered some new seats for this. These are actually the exact OEM style seats they had in 1979. I got it from a company.
It's got that 70s pattern.
Yeah, it's identical to what was put on in the 79. I actually got it from a company called Freewheeling Broncos that makes them identical to it. So
very cool.
Everything on this Bronco is period correct and exactly how it would have came in 1979. The only difference is obviously I added a lift and I added rims and tires, because I personally think this wheel and tire package with this lift I did looks the best on this style Bronco.
Oh, and I noticed, taking a peek up underneath it, you did a conversion too.
Yeah, so I did a disc brake conversion. So they came with drums, and I decided to put disc brakes on it, new pads, new calipers,
But the stopping power is way better.
Yeah, it stops a lot better than what it was with the drums.
Right. Well, man, this has been I don't even know what to say about this. 1979, I think that's like the year my dad graduated high school, was the year this truck was made. 78, they made it the year before, but that's incredible to be in a piece of history like this. I mean, and to be in this kind of condition, this clean, this belongs in a museum.
It does. And, you know, I've bought, you know, several hundred Broncos, but my favorite Bronco ever, everyone always asks me, it is a 1979, this exact package. It's gotta have the black on the outside. It's gotta have the chromatic with the freewheeling, which is the graphics. It also has the bucket seats, which most of them are either gonna be a bench, or they're not gonna have the captain chairs with the buckets and the armrest. And the best color combo, obviously, for an interior that I like is black exterior, red interior.
It is, it's a cherry. Well, thank you again for showing me, man. I appreciate you.
Hey, no problem. So guys, I really appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Because of that, I'm actually going to be giving away a free t-shirt. There's no hidden cost. I'm paying for shipping. In order to get this, we're going to be giving this away to the first 100 people. Make sure you are like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you are also liking the Facebook page. And then send us a message on Instagram, The Bronco King, your shipping address and what size t-shirt you are, and we will send this out right away. And after you finish that, make sure you hit done on this video on the YouTube channel.
Yeah!